Oh my gosh, OFD, 2 videos on a Friday night. Are you crazy? Yeah, I'm crazy. I'm wild and crazy. Not really. This is just going to be an unbagging video. I know where this watch came from. I'm super excited about it. Using the big bad blade from Mr. Chris Walls. Thank you. So I actually got turned on to this brand, this watch brand, by Austin Daniels. If you guys don't watch his channel, he lives in Japan, and he has all kinds of great watch videos, posts all kinds of cool videos about stuff, and it's always fun because sometimes I think I know what Austin's going to talk about by the title of his video, but it ends up being something different, and it's really cool, fun to watch. He turned me onto this watch brand. I never bought one, but recently GearBest, if you guys aren't familiar with GearBest, they're out of China. They sell tons and tons and tons of things, and electronics and goods for around the house and stuff like that, and watches are one of the things that they sell. They got a hold of me, said, hey Aaron, check out all these watches, anything on here you'd like to look at, and this brand was on here, and this is a Tevise Submariner Homage. And so if you guys kind of know watches and stuff like that, you know that these Tevise watches coming from GearBest and other companies are super, super inexpensive, but automatic watches, and which I think is just nuts. I mean, these are actually automatic movements in these watches. So let's go ahead and rip this box or this bag open here and see what we get. See what this watch looks like. So, okay, so they gave me, let me see, this is just a product name, just so I know. This is the Tevise T801A men's mechanical watch. So comes in this little shiny box here, nothing fancy. Obviously, I think the Tevise logo is underneath there. This watch, I think, retails for around $21, so it's pretty surprising packaging here for a $21 watch, to be honest with you guys. You know, I mean, it's just a cardboard box, but it does, yeah, it's a hinge top. Wow, look at that. And here is this watch. So this is legit how you're going to get one of these watches, most likely. I'll tell you what, guys, they contacted me 2 days ago to let me know they'd shipped this watch. So it came to me in 2 days. So let's get it off the pillow, and I will bring it up here and we'll take a little look-see at this watch. All right, guys, it's got plastic all over it, so I'm going to go ahead and pause the camera here for a second and get the plastic off so we can get a good look at the watch. All right, guys, that took a long time to get the plastic off because they wrapped this thing so good. But so here's the Tevise automatic. The model number on this is the T801A men's mechanical watch. As you guys can see there, it is a mechanical movement. This is coated in some sort of a PVD or DLC, not a DLC finish, I'm sure. It feels, I can actually feel it a little bit, so it's kind of soft, but pretty good looking watch, guys. This is like a $21 or $22 watch. These are like 30 meters, I think. So basically, I don't think that you really want to get these watches wet. This is kind of like a diver's inspired sport looking watch. You don't have to, you know, you're not going to swim with this watch on. I wouldn't suggest it at all. This does have a locking bezel, really jumpy there, you know, not really smooth. Workable, it definitely would work for timing something. If you're just gonna like, you know, time your sprinklers or cooking some eggs or something, it'll work for that. Lines up pretty good. Definitely Submariner Homage. You have the Cyclops there at the 3 o'clock position. Tevise automatic under the 6 o'clock with the Tevise logo. And down here at the bottom, just above 6, you get this 30 meters, 100 feet. I think that says perlative chronometer. Not superlative, but perlative chronometer, which is kind of funny. And officially certified, probably just to get out the factory door. You do have a signed crown on here, an embossed crown. Actually sticks up above the finish there. Looks pretty good. Metal bracelet on here. Of course, you get the folded in links on here. I think they're folded, or yeah, they're folded in links. But look at this. This watch has a display case back showing the automatic movement in there. How cool is that? That's actually really cool. For a $23 watch, and look at the rotor. It's like decorated. Got their logo. I'm not sure exactly how many jewels are in this or anything like that, but Man, if you just wanted to play with an automatic watch for under $30, guys, check this out. This is the Tevise. Now, this was the only one I think they had at the GearBest website. I'm sure they kind of replenish their stock all the time. I've seen them with like a silver dial one with a NATO strap on it and stuff like that. You know, so kind of cool. Different. I can't believe that you get, you know, this box with this folding top and stuff like that on a pillow with a sleeve. And, you know, this came to me in 2 days. And it's a 20 under, I think it was under $23 or right around $23.99. It's a good looking watch. It's not a bad looking watch. I'm going to go ahead and pause it here and we'll get it on my wrist, on my 7-inch wrist, guys. So there you guys go on my 7-inch wrist. It's not adjusted to me. I'm going to go ahead and take it off here in a second and get some dimensions. I completely are spacing on getting you guys dimensions on this thing. All right, guys, so dimensions on this Tevise automatic. I'm thinking this is about a 40 to 42 millimeter case just by looking at it. Yeah, you're 42 and a half on the case minus the crown. Lug tip to lug tip, you are looking at 51. And thickness with the automatic movement of a 14.3. And you do have on this watch a 20 millimeter lug opening. So you can stick this thing on a NATO strap, guys, just for a fun beater watch. I mean, for the price point, I would check them out. They're kind of fun. I'm gonna do some more experimenting, and I'll actually wear this thing for a while. I'm gonna stick it on a NATO strap and wear it, the Tevise automatic, and just see what the heck these things are all about. I have no idea about the timekeeping, guys. I know that on Austin Daniels' channel, he tried to regulate his, and I don't know if he had much luck. I gotta watch that video again, but yeah, these are nuts. I'll leave a link to Tevise where you can pick these up down below in the description. If you guys want to give a, under $30 automatic watch a try with Chinese movement and stuff like that, display case back. Pretty good looks, And if it's your first dip into automatic movements, maybe this would be something fun to try out. Maybe not, I don't know. I'm going to test it for at least 10 days and get back to you guys on the timekeeping and stuff like that. I doubt this thing has any lume, but let's give it a try here. All right, let's give this a try. I don't think there's going to be any lume on a watch like this. Not for $23 price point. But I don't know. Let's see. Holy crud. Wow. The Tevise has lume, even a lume pip, guys. Surprise. Pleasant surprise. I'll put this watch on the wrist for 10 days, guys, and I'm going to get back to you with 10 days on the wrist with this little Tevise Chinese automatic Submariner Homage. Alright, guys, you like the video, give me a thumbs up down there at the bottom. And if you've not subscribed to the OFD channel yet, please do. Please do. Alright, thanks, guys.